Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to enable the Report Phishing feature in Microsoft Outlook. This tool is essential for keeping your inbox secure, allowing you to instantly flag and report suspicious emails. To begin, open your Outlook application or log in to Outlook on the web. Look at your main top ribbon and find the apps icon. It typically looks like a small grid of squares. Click on that icon. From the drop-down menu, select Get Add-ins. This will open the Outlook add-in store directly inside your window. In the search bar, type the word phishing and press enter. You will see a few results appear. Look for the official Report Phishing or Report Message add-in. For the best security, I highly recommend choosing the one published directly by Microsoft. Click on the add-in and then press the Add button to install it. Once the installation is finished, you can close the add-in store. You will now notice the Report Phishing button permanently located on your Outlook toolbar. Whenever a suspicious email lands in your inbox, just click that button to safely report and remove the message. That is all there is to it. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to ClearTask, and turn on notifications for more direct and professional tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.